Alright guys, so we did our front component sets, they're completed. Last to do is the rear. I'm going to do one side on video, but just note that they're both the same. So we start with these 3 Torx screws, they're T20s. Okay, once you have those 3 out, it's pretty easy. You can see you have your mid and then your tweeter right over here. So we'll pull both of these out. These are also T20. There should be 3 screws on these. And then you're just going to take the connector off the back of the speaker. And you can set the speaker aside. Tweeter, just 2 Torx screws on there. Also it's 20. Okay, and like the mid, we'll just unplug the tweeter. And you can set that aside. There's the speaker, you have the 3 Torx. We're gonna get fastened on. Hold the speaker up. Put my tweeter in. Tweeter actually has a notch in it, so it only goes in one way, and it already has a crossover on it. And remember that you have 2 options. You got your 0 dB and your plus 3 dB. Your 0 dB is going to be closest to the factory setting. In there. Another tip, sometimes these tweeters are a little hard to get the clip into the plate. Get 2 of the clips on after you get it installed. Just give it 2 thumbs, push, and it should go right on. Okay, so cover's back on. Both rear sets of components are in, both front sets of components are in. Tune in a little bit later and we'll talk about how it sounds and how the whole system works together.